family we dey na board number 2 St. Peter's Primary School. Well, family we dey na board number 2 St. Peter's Primary School. We happen to be one of the center them na this board number 2 area for let people go come vote. But we get one issue now we concern one young man we understand say he come na the polling center. They ask him some question them where he not able for answer because he not come with an ID card, in voter ID card. But God so good we come and get the young man. What's your name?
Alpha Kamara.
Alpha Kamara. What really happened?
Well, I can't have the polling center. I can't vote. What can vote? I count me.
Talk loud small.
I can't vote. I count me sleep. When I this way they give me the day of the registration, I give them waiting at the place. As I give them, they ask me for my mama name Ashu. They ask me for my papa name Ashu. Then they decide for tell me say the name not Tali. Then they ask me for my street who are they. Then I show when I add was say street. Then they say the name not Tali with what I give. Then they decide for first me. They say at least la wait because they not driving. They say la wait first. I will vote more like la wait. But because of the situation, I go na house. I can't vote. I go na house. I go call me ID card. Then what they say the ID card and what they are the paper they give me is different. So now the only issue with it.
So the waiting there na the ID card. With waiting there na the sleep. A different.
Yeah,
but
the street where they give me.
Camera na still na your ID card.
Yeah, then the street na the sleep na Ajawas is a street na yeah they say Boka Koa.
Boka Koa. So they no show you street. All right. Okay. So but then the name where they na you voter ID card. Na in there na the sleep. All right.
I still agree say la vote because of that.
Yeah, but
because of my mama name and my papa name.
Yeah, your mama in name and your papa in name.
Yes, Washu.
Okay.
They say the name not Tali.
So whose name you show them?
I show my papa in name one Ibrahim Kamara, then mama in name one Mabinti Kamara. They say the name not Tali, you know there. They say the name not Tali today you book them. I say well, okay. It's not Tali. I say well now then decide for ask me. So they tell me say, then they tell me say, they say me not show me mama name, I not show me papa name. How big man like me go there, I not show me papa name, I not sabi mama name. Then I waiting to know what them born me for. Then I make a decide for go counter. Even the street where they show, they ask me all that question there. When in 1994 now born, the 1st January 1994, I answered the call. Then they decide for drive me out back still because of the question there. Then I go count the ID card now. Now waiting there when at the first street was when Ajawas is a street. You know they are when Boka Koa.
Okay, yeah, na just Boka Koa.
Yes.
In fact, by this ID card, they not been put street. Then just say Boka Koa. That means inside Boka Koa.
Yes.
All right, okay.
Then this one, this street. Then in there the ID card what's there now? I should say na in the inside.
All right, okay. So they give you this slip because
because of my face not come.
Okay, because
but then tell me say
come.
before they give me, then tell me say I say if this laws, fortunately this laws, they say I go count this and I'm blocking it. If they ask me question, I answer. Then I will vote. Then I make where this not be. I'm a sister keeper because of the keeper.
So how you been feel where then tell you say the name where you get inside the register and which you talk not Tali?
I feel embarrassing. I feel bad. I feel embarrassing. So all me people are with them because like me now one kind my own people are sabi. If they hear me they talk say I can't talk full now. It's like I feel embarrassing. I feel bad to all the people.
All right.
Of course, because all the people they watch at say yes, I not get right to do so. I feel embarrassing. Not find let people and tell me say carry I no can do so. Big man like no again. So I feel bad.
All right. So now that will make you go now host. So who said this voter ID card in me? Why you not count it?
Well, the ID card, the day I can collect it, I go keep it inside my box. But because of safety, my sister you know go school. So he decided to go pull this thing. If he say this one not the so he go keep this. Why he go keep this? He left this. So this one I be the friend all white, but my sister not there. Yesterday now when my sister I forget, I not ask me back. So I go just go grab this because they don't give me a show say this one they make a vote. I just go take her. I can at the center. So today now unfortunately sister Badoka for vote. Where the embarrassment of face me now, I don't want to go now. I say well I go scatter me box. I don't go meet my sister now. We say don't vote. Ask her say me card, I know this year. They say la no vote. I say watch yonder, I don't put the card in. I go take the card now take Busaful. I come, I decide for watch for the name where they are. yeah, if in a me do mistake, I be ever feel say my name go there or my papa, but like the street force was show not to India. So they all two things.
Well, Famulem, we still there with Alpha Camara issue na Bow number 2 St. Peter's, and waiting happen really in the center. The center manager there we go get for tell you more about this Alpha Camara issue. What's your name, sir?
My name Abdulrazak Mansari.
Abdulrazak, you can talk loud, smaller people hear you.
Yeah, my name Abdulrazak Mansari.
So actually, what's happened about this Alpha Camara in business?
Well, at time me PO call me.
When you say PO, what do you mean?
Then a presiding officer. He call me. He carry this man in case to me say, this man carry it as the station form. With that form day, and they only give you on exhibition time. The time when you come for collect your ID card come, but you don't get picture. Then the time they really give you attestation form, then they snap you back. But tell you say, the picture will come, but you know will count ID card, but it go inside the RV.
What's that RV?
The RV is the registration form, registration voters form. So this man come with only attestation form. Then the PO ask him, where the ID card where they be you will not be get picture. They say you not get ID card. Okay, they say well, you still get right for vote. But we need to ask you some questions. They ask him in address, enable show. They ask him for your my name, enable show, put in like this. I say, but this information where you don't tell me, so inside this RV here. So the lady called me.
So when you say enable show, do you say then say the one where you don't tell we, you know the inside. So now two things. Enable
tell you the information where if you don't give it before.
Okay.
Where they inside the RV, the registration form.
So waiting on have been guests at the RV.
Well, I'm not going to tell you now, but you can go to the RV and testify.
Alright.
Say the information where you can give. So let me say, let me self-cross check. I ask him the name where he show me a different and the address. Now say I don't tell you, say and thank God. Let me say be there on the exhibition where he come back and I mean write the attestation form. Now say when you give false information, it will tell on you tomorrow whether ID card go for them in hand. I say now the thing that what be tell now so I said wait I will tell you what I will do for you. Wait send me maybe WC come. So let me dey part there.
Where you say WC now?
World coordinator.
Okay.
So then you halala them be there now. I still tell and say.
So when you say halala, wait, how it been be?
Well, you see,
it's on to halala.
The argument they tell and say make it wait, but it be the grumble as if they don't tell and say you no go vote. I still can't tell and say no, you go vote so now for wait. Wait, now get the authority from the above. Wait till then tell you now go do that. Then I say okay. So that was then way I see don't work out the ID card back. Later it show me. I tell and say may go wait.
Alright, so but the ID card where it come with the information tally with waiting then at the voter register.
Yes.
Okay. So meaning you go vote now.
Yes.
Alright. So but you agree where it say at least when I embarrass them.
Yes, they embarrass them because why he left the ID card where they belong down, you know, count and it count it as a station then. Simple question when they ask and where is supposed for give wait for tally with the already part the RV and not be the same. So that are the reason that they tell and say make it wait. They don't even tell and say enough for vote, they say make it wait.
Alright. Okay, so now that will be the only issue now, yeah?
Yeah, that's not the only issue.
So generally how the conduct of the voting now you center today?
Well, we're not getting any issue with this voting to go on normal.
Alright, so this morning people have been plenty here, because right now people are not plenty at the queue.
We get a huge crowd this morning here, but with the perfection of the workers there, they're able to make things well, smoothly, so we're able to put the situation down, the tensions there, till we get back to this point in time now. We almost now saying less population will get some. We serve the make sure say before that time they reach, and we don't done with these people there and wait for the people there maybe. So people then they be and we do not carry because so election always the people then early in the morning, so man can relax and we say no I wait for the evening time. But that's what they try for do.
Alright, well family you when they watch the SLBC Bow television, well for make you know say St. Peter's the issue we been there for the day, I mean just Alpha Camara issue, and that one day they not almost handle them and Alpha Camara don't get in voting right, we will get for vote at any time from now. Continue for stay with we.